Octopuses are some of the most mysterious and intelligent creatures on the planet. With their ability to change color, solve puzzles, and even use tools, they're truly one of the ocean's most extraordinary residents. Today, we're diving deep into 10 mind-blowing facts about octopuses that will make you see these creatures in a whole new light. Let's go! 1. Octopus hearts, more than one. Let's kick things off with something a little weird. Did you know an octopus has not one, not two, but 3 hearts? 2 of these hearts are responsible for pumping blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. But here's the interesting twist. When an octopus swims, the heart that pumps blood to the body actually stops. This is why octopuses tend to get tired pretty quickly when swimming. They prefer crawling on the ocean floor, which is much less taxing on their hearts. It's like they're built for a life of chill, but when they need to make a move, they've got those extra hearts to power them up. In fact, some species of octopus live in extreme conditions, like deep-sea trenches, where oxygen is low. That's why they've evolved this system to help them conserve energy and keep their blood flowing efficiently in tough environments. 2. Octopus blood is blue, not red. Now, let's talk about octopus blood. It's blue. And it's not because they're sad or royalty, it's all because of a molecule called hemocyanin, which contains copper instead of the iron-based hemoglobin found in human blood. Hemocyanin works much better in low-oxygen environments, which makes it perfect for life in the deep, cold ocean. This adaptation allows octopuses to thrive in places other animals might struggle to survive. It's a cool fact that many creatures living in cold environments, like some arthropods, also have hemolymph, which can be blue. But in the case of octopuses, their blood gets its blue tint from this special adaptation to help them survive the ocean's challenges. 3. Brain power. Octopuses have more neurons than humans. Get ready to be amazed because octopuses have something called a distributed brain. Not only do they have a brain inside their head, but their arms also have a sort of mini-brain, each packed with neurons. In fact, 2/3 of their neurons are in their arms. This means their arms have their own independent decision-making power. They don't even have to ask the head brain for permission to grab food or manipulate objects. It's like they have 8 minds working together. Scientists have observed octopuses solving complex puzzles and opening containers to get food, which is a sign of advanced problem-solving skills. They're basically the Einsteins of the underwater world, and their brains can also store memories and learn through experience. Some researchers believe octopuses may even have a form of short-term memory similar to humans. 4. Master of camouflage. They can disappear in plain sight. When it comes to disguise, octopuses take it to the next level. They can blend into any environment, changing their color, texture, and even pattern. This magical transformation is thanks to special skin cells called chromatophores, which are like tiny pigment sacs that expand or contract to create a vast range of colors. But that's not all. Octopuses also have iridophores and leucophores that reflect light, which helps them match the surrounding environment even better. From sand to rocks to coral, an octopus can hide in plain sight. It's not just for hiding from predators either. Some species of octopus use this camouflage to sneak up on prey, making them stealth hunters. And when they're feeling particularly sassy, they might even playfully change colors to communicate with each other. 5. An octopus can literally regrow its arm. If you thought your ability to heal from a cut was impressive, think again. Octopuses can actually regrow entire arms if they lose one, whether in a fight or due to a predator attack. The process of regeneration takes several months, but the new arm comes back fully functional, with suckers that can taste and grip. Imagine losing an arm and growing it back exactly like the original. That's some superpower-level biology. The process isn't just about growing new cells. The octopus regenerates its nerves, blood vessels, and even the complex structures in the arm that allow it to sense and manipulate objects. It's like getting a brand new arm, built to order. 6. They can recognize individual humans. Octopuses are not only good at puzzles, they're also great at remembering people. Studies have shown that octopuses can recognize specific individuals, including humans who have interacted with them in the past. They can remember faces and even react differently depending on who is in front of them. It's like they have a memory bank for people, and they don't forget. This behavior has been observed in both wild and captive octopuses. It makes sense, too. In the wild, they need to remember predators and potential mates, so why wouldn't they remember the humans they encounter? 7. Octopus ink. More than just a defense mechanism. Many of us know that octopuses squirt ink to escape from predators, but there's more to the ink than just a smokescreen. The ink contains a compound called tyrosinase, which is capable of dulling a predator's sense of smell and taste. Not only does it create a cloud of darkness to escape into, but it also acts as a chemical shield, disrupting the predator's ability to track them. Some species even use ink to create decoys, fake versions of themselves that confuse the predator into attacking the wrong target. And if an octopus is particularly clever, they can combine the ink with their camouflage abilities to completely disappear. This makes them almost impossible to track, leaving predators bewildered and outwitted. 8. Octopus sleep, a deep, mysterious slumber. Ever wonder how octopuses sleep? They don't sleep like we do. Octopuses have two phases of sleep. One that's similar to REM, rapid eye movement, sleep in humans, and another where they appear to rest but still exhibit twitching behaviors. During the REM phase, their skin changes color and texture, which leads some scientists to believe they may even dream, a thought that's as fascinating as it is mysterious. Interestingly, octopuses often sleep in dens or hidden crevices, where they're safe from predators. But in REM sleep, they may be vulnerable, so scientists are still studying the full purpose of their sleep habits. Could it be a way to process memories, or something else entirely? 9. The octopus that uses tools. Yes, really. If you thought tool use was a man trait, think again. The veined octopus has been observed gathering coconut shells and even assembling them into portable shelters. They'll carry these shells for miles, and then use them to hide or build a protective wall. This is the kind of behavior that blows people's minds, because it shows problem-solving skills and planning. These octopuses are the architects of the deep. What's even more remarkable is that these octopuses have been seen using the shells in new, creative ways. It's like they're thinking ahead and developing strategies for future survival, something that's typically reserved for higher mammals. 10. Cannibalistic octopus behavior. Here's a darker side of octopus behavior: cannibalism. While octopuses are generally solitary, some species have been observed eating other octopuses, even those of their own kind. In captivity, this happens more often, but it's not uncommon in the wild, either. It's part of the survival game. When food is scarce or there's a threat to territory, these creatures may resort to eating each other. Interestingly, this behavior seems to be more prominent in certain species like the common octopus, which is highly territorial. However, some other species live more peacefully with their fellow octopuses, showing that cannibalism isn't an all-encompassing trait in the octopus world. You're a legend for watching this long. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you're enjoying it. And for still watching, here's a little bonus tip and fact just for you. 11. The Octopus Garden of the Deep. Finally, let's talk about the octopus garden, a deep-sea phenomenon where octopuses gather in large groups, sometimes in the hundreds, to lay their eggs. While most octopuses are solitary creatures, this is one of the few known instances of community behavior. It's a fascinating insight into their lives. Perhaps they come together for safety, or maybe they just enjoy each other's company. Either way, these deep-sea octopus gatherings are one of nature's greatest mysteries. These gatherings happen in regions where the ocean floor is rich in nutrients and resources, allowing the octopuses to come together during the reproductive season. Once the eggs are laid, the female octopuses guard them, sometimes for months. From their mind-boggling intelligence to their incredible survival tricks, octopuses are truly one of the ocean's most enigmatic creatures. There's so much more to learn about them, and every discovery reveals new layers of their mysterious world. What's the most surprising thing you learned today? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible wildlife stories from the depths of the ocean.